Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. In today's video, we're going to answer a subscriber question about Vidnami and autovoice. Unique Virals ask, hey Gary, I have a question. I use auto voiceover, but the speaker reads the text so fast. How can I make him do it slower? By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to slow down auto voice. To do that, we're going to hop straight into Vidnami and take a look and answer Unique Virals' question. So here we are in my Vidnami, formerly Content Samurai account. What we'll do is we'll just go ahead and create a new quick video, just walk through this and slow down this auto voice. Of course, you'll start with the template and you can pick all the templates here. Quick rundown, you got the different formats, landscape and square. We'll go ahead and just grab this lime green template, use that template. Go ahead, enter a title here. An auto voice. Please slow me down. I'm reading way too fast. That should work. Create scenes. Of course, then it'll create the scenes based off the words in the pictures, and of course you can change those. That's not what this video is about. We're going to head over to the voice track, and that's where we're going to find the options that we're looking for. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to pick auto voice, and you have all these choices of auto voice. We'll go ahead and just go with Jack in Australia. We'll preview that video because this is the step and it's easy to overlook where to set the auto voice settings. So it's inside the preview settings, so you have to let it create the scene timing and build your preview, and then you can go in and adjust the auto voice. And it's not just the auto voice actually that you can adjust. Even if you do a voiceover of your own voice or you hire someone to do one, you can actually do this to adjust the speed of the voice. So what you do here is once you have the preview all set, you go under options up here at the top bar. So you have music, watermark, and options. And then here under options, you have the voice track speed. And here is where you slow and speed up the voice track. So if you want to slow it down, by default it's at 100. You can slow it down into about the 90 range, and then you simply hit apply. It'll again go through, create scene timing, and create your preview. And then, of course, you just play it, and you can listen to it, make sure it sounds good, speed it up, slow it down, change the voice track volume, change the music volume if you have music, and that's all you do, and you move on to the next step and download your video. So to Unique Virals and everyone else watching, I hope this answers the question about Vidnami and auto voice. If it did, give me a thumbs up. Drop me a yep, it solved my problem in the comments of this video. Don't forget, 30-minute timer here on the end screen. Click that, subscribe to the channel. Check out more awesome content in the videos here on the end screen, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.